Dear students, class 9th, in the previous class we have discussed the numericals of chapter 3rd exercise 3E. Hope you have done. Yesterday we have done the numericals, and through numericals I have given for homework. That was question number 15, 17 and 19 to do. Rest even questions. If any question, if you have got doubt, you can clarify, you can make me a call. I'll try to solve and I'll give you. Yeah. Now according to syllabus, question chapter number 1 to 3 we have done. Now come to chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, heat and energy. Heat and energy. See, commonly what we see in the daily life, rubbing our palms, अपने हाथों को घिसना, gets heated on passing electric current in the metallic wire. When we pass a current in metallic wire, heater wire, press wire, it gets heated up. Wire gets heated up. Burning coal, chemical form, we get heat. On pumping air into a bicycle tube, the barrel becomes hot. Gets bicycle tube hot. By this example, we conclude that heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. How we can define? Heat is the internal energy of molecules. Heat is the internal energy of molecules consisting of body. It flows from hot body to cold body. Or we can write from higher potential, higher potential to lower potential. In our houses, the water tank is kept at the height, so we can receive water all around in a building. Water tank is kept at the height, so the water is stored at the higher potential, and to get the water all around in the building downward with the great pressure. Pressure increases with the height. So we have to remember always the heat flows from higher body to cold body. Now unit of heat. The unit of heat is same as that of energy. SI unit of heat is joule. It is abbreviated by J. CGS unit is Joule. Erg. 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg. Bigger units, other units are kilocalorie. Whenever this word kilo comes, kilo comes, it is the multiple of 1000. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calorie. The unit calorie and joule are related as 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Nearly we say it is 4.2 joule. In the books also it is written 4.2 joule. It is the internal energy of molecules consisting the body. It flows from a hot body to cold. So concept of temperature. Temperature determines the direction of flow of heat. Temperature determines the flow of heat. Now we can see, open your books on page number 126. Page number 126. Here they have given temperature is the quantity which tells the thermal state. Temperature is the quantity which tells the thermal state of the body, means the degree of hotness or coldness. Thermal state का meaning क्या हुआ बच्चे लोगों? The degree of hotness or coldness. The degree of hotness or coldness. Thermal state. Thermo means heat. Hotness or coldness of a body. It determines the direction of flow of heat between two bodies at different temperature are placed in contact. When you touch a hot body with a cold body, the heat will be transferred, the temperature, the degree, the heat will transfer from hot body to cold body till they both are bodies are kept in contact. There is no transfer of heat between two bodies placed in contact. They are said to be same temperature. If the heat is not transferred, they are at the same temperature. It does not mean that they have equal amount of heat in them, but temperatures are same. Now, amount of heat energy contained in a body depends upon its mass. Greater the mass, greater the heat it has. Temperature and the nature of the material. Unit of temperature, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Underline this. Page number 126. Underline this. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Underline this. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Other most common units of temperature are degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is generally used when we use to record the body temperature. So, the temperature on Celsius scale and Kelvin scale are related as temperature of Kelvin scale, and it is at T Kelvin is equal to 273 plus T degree Celsius, or by adding this 273 it will convert into degree Celsius. T Kelvin 273, when we will add the degree Celsius it will convert into Kelvin. Thus by adding 273 temperature, degree Celsius get into Kelvin. Clear? Actually a degree on both Kelvin and Celsius scale is equal. 0 Kelvin temperature at which pressure and volume of the gas becomes 0. 0 is called the absolute temperature. Thus negative temperature not possible on Kelvin scale. Negative temperature is not possible on Kelvin scale. 0 degree Celsius, underline this, 0 degree Celsius on Kelvin scale is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. The ice point 0 degree Celsius or Kelvin scale is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Underline this. So what does it mean? The degree Celsius starts from 0 and Kelvin scale starts from 32 degree Fahrenheit. And 273 on Kelvin scale, the steam point 100 degree Celsius on Celsius scale and 212 on Fahrenheit scale and 273 on Kelvin scale. They are same. Thus there are 100 equal degrees between the ice point and steam point on both the Celsius and Kelvin scale, but 180 equal divisions on the Fahrenheit scale. So we convert this Celsius scale into the 0 of the Kelvin scale is absolute 0. So absolute 0, and it is a temperature when molecular motion ceases. There is no motion in the molecules. Molecular motion X2B ceases. So temperature on Kelvin scale and Fahrenheit scale are related. Learn this relation. This will be used in numerical problem. C upon 5 F minus 32 upon 9. This will be used as formula to calculate or to convert the degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. And degree Celsius to Kelvin, we have to add 273 to degree Celsius. Thermal expansion. Thermo means heat. Expansion which takes place by heat is said to be the thermal expansion, or the expansion of substance on heating is called the thermal expansion of the substance. Say, might have seen in the summer session, the small gate of our school comes in contact with the wall when the temperature is 46 or 45 degrees Celsius, and in winters it can be easily opened. You have seen this. Our school gate, smaller school gates, comes in contact with the wall when the temperature in the month of May becomes 45-46 degrees Celsius. When it crosses 40 degrees Celsius, the iron gate expands and it comes in contact with the wall and it leaves impression on the wall. So it can be easily seen. It expands. So not only expands in its length but expands in its Sometimes when the linear expansion is length, and areal expansion length into breadth, and sometimes the volume expansion, it expands in its volume also. So here is what happened. The thermal expansion, when the heat is imparted on a body, the body gets heated up. This is said to be the thermal expansion. Some substance such as water, some substance example they have given, such as water from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius. Some substance, this is exceptional, underline this, water from 0 to 4 degree Celsius, silver iodide from 80 degree Celsius to 141 degree Celsius, and silica below 80 degree Celsius contracts on heating. This is exception, page number 127, you learn this, exception case, exception case, उल्टा है ये. Substance such as water from 0 to 4, silver iodide from 80 to 141 degree Celsius, silica below 80 degrees contracts on heating and expands on cooling. ये गर्म होने पर सिकुड़ती हैं और ठंडा होने पर फैलती हैं. Expansion of substance on cooling, certain range of temperature is called anomalous expansion. This is said to be the expansion of a substance. This paragraph is important. Expansion of a substance on cooling, certain range of temperature is called anomalous expansion of the substance. However, we will study anomalous expansion of water. Anomalous expansion of water we will study. See here, the expansion of water when it is cooled from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 is known as anomalous expansion of water. We have shown this graph. See this graph carefully. Graph number, figure number 6.1. On the x-axis temperature they have shown 0 to 10 and volume from tetra 9 to 1.003. So what we have seen is the volume was 1.001 and above. Temperature increases, first is contracts and contracts and contracts till 4 degrees Celsius. Further on 4 degrees Celsius the volume expands. Further in 4 degrees Celsius the volume expands. We can see from the graph carefully. You will be able to see the graph carefully. First the volume decreases on increase in temperature. At 4 degrees Celsius it starts to expand, and this is anomalous expansion, and this is variation of volume of water in range of temperature 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Now second graph 6.2, variation in density of water with temperature range of 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Temperature on x-axis and density on y-axis. Density is 0.996 to last one. What it shows is the density is 0.998 at 0 degrees Celsius. As the temperature increases, the density increases and increases. At 4 degrees Celsius, the density is maximum. Density is maximum. Density is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, and on further heating 6 degrees Celsius, 8 and 10, the density of this ice decreases. Clear? First, these both are very important graphs, students. Mark and draw these graphs. Variation of volume of water in range of temperature 0 to 10 degrees Celsius, and variation in density of water with temperature 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. Both are opposite graph. See carefully. Next here comes to Hope's experiment. Hope's experiment to demonstrate the expansion of water. He has taken one glass container, and at the center part he has filled the freezing mixture, ice and common salt in the ratio of 3:1. First temperature, the thermometer is kept at the top, and the second thermometer is kept at the bottom. What he has seen is Initial the temperature was same. As the freezing mixture comes in contact, the upper temperature reduces and reaches to 0 degrees Celsius, but the water below this freezing mixture remains at 4 degrees Celsius. And at the top, the ice is formed at the top, because ice formation starts to take at 0 degrees Celsius, and below it remains at 4 degrees Celsius. This is very important. This has been given by the nature. It has been proved by the Hope experiment that how the aquatic life was saved in cold countries. See, at 4 degrees Celsius, the fishes, the plants can survive easily, and the above lake is frozen. In the Kashmir, if you have ever been to Kashmir and all, the lake gets frozen up to 1 meter, 2 meters, but below it the water remains at 4 degrees Celsius, in which all the aquatic life remains the same. Here they have shown the graph, variation, temperature time graph of thermometer, temperature on y-axis, time in minutes on x-axis, the temperature initially at room temperature, it falls to the freezing mixture. And second one, T1 temperature. T1 temperature falls and reaches to 0 degrees Celsius, but T2 temperature from 12 to 4 it remains, and it remains at 4 degrees Celsius. So this stage, the lower thermometer T2 shows the temperature 4 degrees Celsius at water has maximum density, while the upper temperature T1 shows the temperature of water at 0 degree Celsius. Clear? Now students, consequences of anomalous expansion of water. Anomalous expansion of water helps in preserving aquatic life during cold weather. This I have example of the Dal Lake. The uppermost, due to decrease in temperature, the uppermost part of the layer gets frozen and becomes hard with the ice. Ice skating takes place over it, but the lower part of the lake remains at 4 degrees Celsius, so the aquatic life remains safe. Clear? Second part, anomalous expansion of water is responsible for the worst of pipelines in cold countries, because water gets frozen, and when it gets frozen, the density decreases and volume increases. Density of water decreases and volume increases. Volume increases. That's why when the water in cold nights, the water gets frozen up in the pipelines and it gets burst. To overcome this, these water pipelines are covered with the thermocols or non-conducting devices, so that it gets not frozen up. Clear? To overcome the problem of bursting of pipelines. Clear? In the winter night, the temperature falling below 4 degrees Celsius, water in the pipelines expand and exert large pressure on the pipes, causing them to burst. Plants also die for the same reason. Capillaries burst when the water in them reaches 4 degrees Celsius. To overcome this, the farmer used to fill the plants with water in the cold night. बच्चे लोगों, farmer used to fill the plant, fill the fields with the water in cold nights to overcome the bursting of capillaries and the crop will damage. To protect the plant field with water. To protect these plants, the field is filled with water. Now exercise 6A for your homework. Today date is 31st 7 2020. These all answers they have given along with the questions. So if any doubt you can clarify. Any doubt you clarify. Yeah. Okay, thank you one and all.